Hello friends, welcome back to the official YouTube channel of MacProSim. Today we will discuss how the other settings works. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel to get the latest videos.
Let's start the discussion with the other settings. First, we will discuss how to change inventory from email. If you enable this setting, you will be able to change the inventory of your products or variants from an email reminder, eliminating the need to log into your Shopify store admin and go to that product to put it in stock. You may easily change the inventory of your products or variants with a single click from the email reminder. To enable this setting, please check this option. Please press the save button after making any changes. Now, second, we will discuss how the display SKU works. If you enable this option, product names will appear alongside SKU in inventory reminder emails sent by Notify Me when your products or variants fall below inventory warning levels. We will silently hide SKU in inventory reminder emails if you have not inserted it. To enable this setting, please check this option. Please press the save button after making any changes. Now, third, we will discuss how the display vendor in email works. In inventory reminders emails, you will see vendor names alongside product names. However, while creating items in Shopify admin, make sure you included the vendor names. We will silently cancel vendor in inventory reminder emails if you have not entered them. To enable this setting, please check this option. Please press the save button after making any changes. Now, fourth, we will discuss how the display product tag in email work. By enabling this option, it will allow you to display product tags in email reminders. To enable this setting, please check this option. Please press the save button after making any changes. Now, fifth, we will discuss how the email reminder subject line works. This is a completely optional. If you do not set, then the default email reminder subject line like out of stock product reminder Notify Me will be taken automatically. If you want to create a unique email reminder subject line, simply type your words into the box. But this is only for your convenience. If you leave it blank, Notify Me will use the default email subject line when sending you email reminder. To do this, please click on the additional setting. Please enter any subject line as per your requirements. Please press the save button after making any changes. And then, if you want to remove the added email reminder subject line, then just remove it from here. Please press the save button after making any changes. These are all the settings that allow you to make customization as per your requirements, and as a result, you can easily manage the inventory of your store.
If you have any questions, then write to us at support@macprosimp.com. Hope this helps. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel to get the latest videos.